Man, it feels good to be back, man. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back, man. And this time I came even stronger. Why? Because I got some early release. I got them in my hands, man. In these hands. I got the Jordan 13 Flints, man. I got them in my hands. I got them early, and I'm ready to review them with y'all, man. So y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it, man. Roll camera. What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know you rocking with the team. Now, I know y'all see that description down below, man, and we are talking about the Jordan 13s. I got them in my hands early, man. I'm hella excited for this one, man. It's been a while since I had these joints, and they came out just for me to talk to y'all about them, man. Before we even drop that down there and we start getting into the sneaker, I want to give a shout out to Weavers of Pillar Chicago, because without him this video would have not been possible, man. So whenever y'all come to Chicago, I want y'all to go check out Pillar Chicago, man. They actually got them in 2 locations. They are the new leading streetwear and sneaker shop that y'all can find in Chicago. I mean, the buzz is crazy all around the city of Chicago. So whenever y'all flying, whenever this pandemic is over, make sure y'all go ahead and check out both spots, man, because I'm telling you, they got some fire pieces which y'all will be seeing real soon, especially when it comes to me styling some pieces. Now, with that being said, go ahead and check out their IG. They got 2 pages that y'all can actually follow. You can follow one of them here, you can follow one of them here, and y'all can go check out the pieces that they got and the sneakers that they will be released to y'all to make sure that y'all feet are clean, man. Now that we got all that said, man, let's get to this sneaker. Y'all know how we do it. Let's go. All right, y'all, welcome back. Welcome to Camcorder's Corner, man. Let's just jump right into these sneakers. First thing first, for those who want to know, these are true retro OGs, man. I had some newcomers that's new to the sneaker game. Some people are just learning about sneakers and they just learning about Jordans as well, so they just getting prepared to start their collection. Now, I was asked in IG, are these true OGs? The answer is, yeah. They dropped in 98. This is the time that Jordan was just about to do his retiring and everything like that. So, yeah, this is a part of the true OG collection. So, 1 through 13s are more of the time where everybody is saying, like, yes, this is the most iconic of OG sneakers, and anything else after that is like creative sneakers. In my case, I like 1 through 14. It's up to you how you like them. The 13s, they are definitely true OGs, man. They retro OGs. These definitely, like I said, these dropped in 98. They also dropped in 2005. They also dropped in 2010. These are times when I was graduating, man. 98, 2005, 2010. They were supposed to drop in 2017, but they never did. So this is why it's more iconic, and a lot of people, the buzz is going crazy because a lot of people really want to get these sneakers because it's been 10 years since these released, man. 10 years. So now it's dropping in 2020. Everybody is going crazy for this. It's bigger than a lot of these other hyped up sneakers. So yeah, let's just jump right into this, man. If you notice, these are dropping on May 30th. If you haven't found out already, they're dropping on May 30th. Make sure that you go to that sneakers app and get ready because they are about to drop soon. These going for $190. You'll be able to check it out on your box. These are going for $190. And as y'all can see, these are size 12 BAF squad. It's up to how you're comfortable in your sneakers. For me, like, I could wear a size 12. Even though I wear a size 13, I can still wear a size 12 and I could get away with it. It won't put too much pressure on my feet or nothing like that. I mean, this is pretty much a big bulky shoe, so you'll still be comfortable on the inside of this sneaker if you go down a size. All right, there we go. I hope that just cleared up something for y'all, man, because it was a little bit too bright for y'all. It was a little bit too bright for me looking at the screen. So yeah, let's get to this sneaker, man, because I'm excited for it. Boom! Pow! Boom! 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 Ooh! Look, y'all know I had to do it for y'all, man. All right, y'all, man. Look at this sneaker, bro. Like, for real. Look at this. Come on. Have you ever seen anything more pretty? Bro, I know a lot of people are going for the runs right now, but when you're talking about a shoe that's talking about comfort, style, that luxury-like appeal, I told y'all about this in my top 5 sneakers, my top 5 Jordans that I love. This is one of them, just simply because it looks like such a luxurious type of sneaker. So you either gonna look pretty on the court or you gonna look pretty off the court. Your feet gonna be fire. Now look, y'all know how I'm gonna do it. Let's just go ahead and jump into the bottom of the sneaker. First thing first, look at the bottom of that sneaker. Now the reason that I like this is just simply because when I was a kid, when I seen the bottom of this joint, like, it looked like a paw print to me. That's why I think this is like one of the most fire sneakers when it comes to the like the Jordan brand. When it comes to these Jordan joints, these are fire. I love like the animal ID idea at the bottom. Like it's just like, welcome to the king of the jungle. I'm the king of the jungle. I'm the beast of it all. I'm about to take over. I'm claiming my territory. So anytime I'm walking on the ground, I'm about to put a paw print in his joint and I'm about to take over. So this boy is already fire when I just look at the bottom. Now, one thing that I do want to bring to your attention is even when you walk in, you'll see that Jordan icon at the bottom, that Jordan logo, man. That boy is fire. You know you're official when you got something down there. I love this. It's very impressive to me. And you won't feel it on the bottom of your foot or anything like that. So you won't have to worry about that. Like if you walking, you won't feel anything poking your foot. It won't be too annoying. It'll still be fire for you. Now let's get to this midsole. The midsole, I do like these bubbles that's here. It looks like bubbles. It's not really bubbles or anything like that, but we do have like this comfort area. Like the more pressure points that you have up in your foot, this is where it's more comfortable. Like you will have aches, and most people will have aches and pains in a normal sneaker. Just straightforward, you'll see a straight line sneaker, and in here it have more comfort, more spacing, more wideage that's on these areas of this sneaker. Now if you move to the upper, before we move to the upper, it's like a blend from the midsole to the upper. So that's what I really think is fire. You'll see that this suede is blended from the midsole to the upper. So it starts from the midsole and then it blends up to like the upper, and it starts to get more crazier with the design that's on here, which is my favorite part, because you all know I love switch up of fabrics, patterns, designs, and things like that. So it does a combination of both. Like the pattern starts to switch up, the material starts to switch up, you have different colors that start to switch up, and they just really went crazy on here to me. Of course, like I said, you'll see suede on here, you'll start to see this cotton fabric on here, and the upgrade that they actually made on this sneaker was more 3M design on here. If you could look closely, although it does look like just navy blue, you'll see like dot of 3M all over this sneaker. We'll try to do a close-up to see if you all can see that. So wherever you walk, whether it starts to get dark and something shines on your shoe, bro, that 3M is just gonna poke out like crazy. And that's one of the things I actually like about like upgrades, man. They do small detail. You don't need too much craziness when it comes to an OG sneaker. You don't have to do anything too crazy. Now the next thing that I do like about this navy blue pattern that you have here is that it always made me feel luxurious, because it looks like walking into like one of the most upscale clubs. It looks just like those plush laid seats. So like I said, whether you're playing on the court or whether you're off the court, you're gonna look like you're luxurious. Now as you move to the front, you'll have some leather up here. So not only do we have rubber down here, we have rubber that's down here, we have suede that's right here, we have on the upper, we have the cotton that's up here and 3M. Then you switch to the front and you have full white on leather that's on the front. Bro, they really been switching up and doing like some real big digging when they wanted to switch up patterns, and I really do enjoy this on this sneaker. Now the next thing that I did want to bring up is one of my favorites. I know I said one of my favorites. That's how you know this is a good shoe, because I said one of my favorites like 8-9 times already. So it's like a favorite all around. It's that logo on here, man. Look, it's like this 3D print. If I could show y'all a little bit closer, hopefully y'all can see that. It has that 23 that's on the back of here, and on the inside, not only do you see 23 on the inside, if you look really close, you'll see that Jordan icon, that Jordan logo that's on the inside. And to show you how much they worked on the detail, it also shows like you'll see the pants, you'll see like the outlay of the body. It's not just a shadow. You will see like the actual design from the head, the hands, the arms, the leg, the pants, the shirt that he was wearing and all that. You'll see all that on the inside of here. It just depends on what type of angle you put it at, and you have to make sure that you are looking really close. And I love the fact that you can see that all just on one small piece of the sneaker. Now also you want to look at this tongue as well. I like that they got the laces that's on here that's really thin. I don't think that they should put anything big. If you want to put some extra laces on here, you want it to have some big laces on here, that's cool, that's up to you. But I wouldn't think that you would need anything extra. Don't add any crazy extra laces on here. I think this is perfect for what it is. Keep the thin laces on here simply because I feel like if you put bigger laces on here, it'll take away from the attention of the sneaker that you're really trying to show. You want to show the entire sneaker instead of giving some attention on your sneaker with the fat laces, man. So just keep them thin like these right here. Another logo that you'll see on the inside is, if you can, nope, you can't see it, but they also had a Jordan logo on the inside of here, which I will be showing y'all like maybe some B-roll footage. All right, lastly, ending this off, if you look on the left side of this sneaker, depending on what type of sneaker you are having on, this is the right side, this is the left. This left will show you like the gray that's at the bottom. You'll have the white that's here, you'll have the blue that's here, and then you'll have the white that's covering like part of the foot. Then when you turn to the right side, you have this gray at the bottom, but then you have the the entire blue that takes over this side. You won't see any of the white that starts to blend over. But if you want to see any of the white that's on here, you'll see it at the front. And I do like this like toe guard that's on the front of here. They got like indents where your toes are. Like it should have like comfort of your toes. I think that's pretty fire too. It's all about getting it in your hands, man. Once you get it in your hands, I think you will actually see everything up close. You'll see more of what I'm talking about. Having an up close view is the best thing because you actually get to see the 3M instead of just seeing it on camera. You see the 3M, you see the actual imprints of the foot. You see where their comfort, where their focus is when it comes to wearing this sneaker. Instead of just wearing something and being fashionable, they was thinking about wearing something fashionable and at the same time having some comfort on here. And if I haven't mentioned, yeah, I'm sorry, that logo that's here, man, I'm sorry, I didn't even mention that. You'll have your MJ logo up at the top as well. I'm sorry, I didn't even mention that. So for all those people who want to know everywhere where the Jumpman is, yeah, like I said, you got him at the bottom, got him at the front of this tongue, got it on this side as well. You'll have it on both of your sneakers. You'll have that logo that's actually here. You'll have that 23 and a Jordan on the inside, and then on the inside of here you'll have your Jordan logo. So for all the people that want to know where they at, and then you have Jordan that's on the front. But yeah, like I said, man, this is one of my favorites. I have to say these are one of my top 5 sneakers when it comes to the Jordan brand. Especially when it comes to the OGs of Jordan brand sneakers. These are actually my favorites. The Flints, they so fire, man. I love this color. I love the patterns of the blue. It wasn't, it's not light gray. I like the dark gray that's on here. I like the dark navy that's on here. And that 3M that they added on here as well. The different change ups, the different patterns on here, the different material as well. So from leather to cotton to suede, I actually do enjoy that, man. So hopefully you all are going to be copping these. Like I said, they come out May 30th. They're going for $190. I hope you all really do enjoy these. I hope y'all can have the opportunity to get them. I know people are gonna go crazy with them. They are gonna sell out. But even though as many as they have put out, these joints are gonna sell out. 10 years, they're gonna sell out. Make sure that you're on that app early, man. Hopefully you get yours, man. I'm looking forward to see who actually gonna cop them, man. Drop that comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna cop them or not. Are these something that you really want to get? Do you already have them? Now with that being said, man, I'm gonna get up out of here, man. I gotta go see what I could put with this, man. Y'all already know how I do it, man. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at y'all. Thanks for watching my video. Peace.
Enlightened creature here. Ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer.